Hi. Our today's special is a snack food, Kerala mixture. It's called Kerala mixture because there is some other variety too, like Bombay mixture, sweet mixture, etc. Anyway, let's start. First of all, we take 3 cups of basen flour. It's the main ingredient. Now we will add a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt. We mix all these dry ingredient with hand, or you could use a whisk. Anyway, we have to mix it well. Now we will add water, little by little. We have to make a smooth dough, similar like chapati dough. Take own time. Knead the dough well. Almost all pulses items are rich source of protein. It help by muscle growth. But for some it cause gas trouble. But in this mixture we add garlic with it, so they can also enjoy it. Now the dough is ready. We will keep some dough for making bundi. Next we will fill the dough in a safe press. We use the smallest hole jolly here. For some people, it's really a hard job to squeeze the dough out. It all depends on the softness of the dough. You could use warm water to knead the dough, so it will be little soft. What we are going to do is deep fry sev. For that we use coconut oil, as we have to add 2.5 cup of oil. Don't bother about it. It's more healthy than buy fried things from shops. Yes. The oil becomes hot enough. Now squeeze the dough directly to hot oil and deep fry it. As we use the small hot jolly, it will fry fast. Flip it when one side is enough. Keep the fried savor side. Now we will make bundi. For that we add more water to the dough we kept for making bundi, and make a smooth batter. Using a bundi chhora, we pour the batter into hot oil. As we could see, small cute balls appear on top of the oil. That's it. Remove it from oil and keep it aside. Next we fry the peanuts. Usually it's the most demanding part in a mixture. Just saying. Anyway, keep the fried peanuts aside. Next we will fry roasted gram, then garlic and curry leaves. Fry all separate and keep it aside. It's time for final mixing. In a big bowl, we crush save to small pieces. 1 inch long. Don't call for measuring tape. Just small pieces. Enough. Next add bundi, fried peanuts, roasted gram, garlic and curry leaves. Combine everything with hand. Next we will spice it up. Take a teaspoon of chili powder, add whole teaspoon of salt. Combine with hand, add the mixture to the same mix. Combine well. That's it. Traditional Kerala style mixture is ready. Thank you.